Welcome to IT Boost YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show how to make wall skirtings, wall reveals in Revit using sweep and reveals. I have opened the Revit. Under the models, I will click new. I will select the Imperial Architecture template. If you want, you can select Metric Architecture template. So I'll select Imperial Architecture template and I'll press OK. I will click on the wall. Simply I'll take generic 8-inch wall and I'll give the wall height around 12 feet in height. Simply I will draw a wall. Simply I'll draw a wall something like this. Right. Now I'm going to add skirtings using sweep first. So I will go to view. I will take the 3D view. Right. Now if you want, we can assign some materials of wall. We will add that one later. Right. Now for the skirting, for the sweep, for the skirting we will use the sweep. We have to create a family. So I will click File, New, Family. So I'll go to English Imperial and the family template, we have to select profile. The family template should be profile and I'll click open. Right. Now I will take a line. Simply we will draw a skirting here. Take a line and here we will give for a 4 inch. Right. And here around half an inch. Right. And 4 inch and half an inch. So simply this is the profile for my skirting. So I will save this one. I will click File, Save As, Family. So I will save this one in my desktop. For example, I will say skirt. So I will click Save. Right. I will close the family. Now select the wall. Go to Edit Type in the Properties window. In the Structure, click Edit. Right, watch carefully. Click on see the Sweep button. Here there is Sweep button and a Reveals button. So it's not active, it's inactive. So to make it active, click on the preview. So it will show the preview of the wall and it's showing as a top view, plan view. So select this one and make it section modify. So when you select section modify, it will show the two buttons, sweep and the reveals. So I will click the sweep. And for the sweep, we have already created a profile. So we can load that profile. I'll click load profile. And I have saved that one in my desktop. That's a skirt here. Right. So we load that one. After that, click add. And here you can select that loaded one here, skirt. When you load only, when you add, and it will come here, click skirt. If you want, you can add a material. I'll click here on the material. So I will simply create a material quickly. I will rename that. I will say skirt. I'll open the browser, material browser. I'll click the appearance library. I'll expand that one. I will go to paint or paint. Right. Or metal glossy. Wall paint also there. We'll go to wall paint and see anything right, dark red or this one. I'll double click that one and close and apply and OK. And the distance, here the distance, it's if you want on the bottom, I will make it 0 feet. So the side exterior, here the exterior, click apply, OK, OK, apply, OK. In the preview also here you can see your skirting, press OK. Here you can see your this thing, you can make it realistic. So you can see here the exterior skirting in your wall. Right. See. So if you want to make it in the interior, nothing, just select the wall, edit type, structure edit, click sweep, add another one. It's already loaded, select this loaded one. The same material, select the skirt and make this one interior. That's all. Interior and apply and OK. See the preview here. OK. Apply. OK. Now we have the skirting for the interior also. Here we have the skirting for the interior also. Right. Now here we have one more thing we can do for here. So if you want to join these two skirting, so this side, right? This side is not coming under the interior or exterior. We have to join these two. We'll see how to join. So select the wall and click modify returns. So when you click modify return, it will show the two side faces, right? If you want, you can reduce the scale so you can clearly see, right? Here select the wall again, modify returns, right? Now select this this side wall. So it will be little bit extended to its thickness. The thickness is half an inch. We gave half an inch, right? Now select this alignment tool. Watch carefully. Select the alignment and select the face here. See the highlight, not here. See the face. Carefully you have to select, right? The face, this face, and the inner face. Now see how it's nicely joined. I will do it this side also. So it may be repeating for you. So here, first select the wall, click modify returns, click this side, so it will be extended. Now click align, select this face here, see the blue highlight, and this face, inner face. So like that you can make a simple skirting using the profile. Right, now we'll make another skirting, right? To the top, on the top, we'll put a skirting on the top also in a different design. So what I do, I'll go to file again, new, family. I will select English Imperial and the template is profile and press OK. Now I'll select a line tool. I will make that one for 4 inch. 4 inch is enough, right? 4 inch, I will make it 4 inch type. Okay. How we'll make on the top, or right, half an inch, and here around 1.5 inch. Now I'll select this start and arch radius. I think so. Or I'll select this tangent, not standard, tangent end back. I'll select the tangent end back. So it will be, we can make it a little bit something like this, right? And again I'll take the line and I'll join. So this is my skirting. Keep in mind the skirting height is 4 inch. So I will select file, save as, family. I will save it in my desktop, top skirt, top skirt, and I will click save. Right. Now same as, select the wall, click edit type, click edit structure, click sweep, click load profile. So I'll select top skirt and open, right, and click add, click the skirt, top skirt here, select the top skirt, and if you want you can add a material. I'll click a material. I will select a material, say plywood or shash, softwood lumber. I'll select that one, softwood lumber. And here see the distance, right? So we have to make this one on the top, right? So the wall height is 12 feet. So the height of the top skirt is 4 inch. So it should be reduced from 12 inch. So 11 feet 8 inch. From the 12 feet we have to reduce 4 inch, right? So 12 feet 8 inch. And click apply. So it's exterior. Here see, right? And press OK. apply. Okay, see, top skirting, right? So for interior also, if you want, you can place it, but we can't join this one because different shapes, right? So this is the skirting. Next we see how to make reveals. So to make reveals, I'll go to File, New, File, New, Family. I'll go to English Imperial, and this time you have to select Profile Reveal. Select the Profile Reveal and open. Right, so it will show the wall side. Now I will take a line. So from the middle, or from here also you can, from the middle I will take around 3 inch and click, and to the bottom 6, so totally 6 inch. There is a line, and I will take start and radius arch. So you can make it a half circle, or right, I'll make it like this. So this is my reveal profile. So I will file, save as, family. I'll say reveal. Right, you can give any name in my desktop. Close this one and select the wall. Edit type. Click structure edit. This time click reveals. Load profile as usual. I'll select the reveal and open. And after that click add. So if I want the reveal in the middle, I'll select reveal. And the distance I will give 5 feet. Right, so and it's in the exterior side. I will add another one. If you want to add another reveal, I will add 3. So another one is in 6 feet. I will add another one. So 3 reveals, that is in 7 feet. Right, and apply. Okay, see the preview here. Okay, okay, okay. So you can make reveals like this also. Yeah. Right, move. Right, I'll show another thing how to add reveal and sweep vertically and horizontally quickly. So I'll click wall. I'll take another type of wall because this is we have. I'll take this generic this thing, and I will go to level 1 and wall, and I will simply draw a wall, something like this, and I will go to 3D view, and again in the architecture tab, wall sweep. So here you can use that one in your wall here. Why for this? Right, I will rotate it to this side, orbit to this side. Wall sweep. Here, can you see? Right. So like that you can, here this is the default profile. If you want your own profile, click the profile. Here, here this is the default profile. We have already loaded that one. Here the top skirt, top skirt. I'll select the skirt and apply and OK. Yeah. Wall sweep. Right. So see other side, not getting applied. It's applied, get applied here. It's get applied. Right. Why select that one, go to edit, click the material. Here separately add the material. I think we have to create, that won't be exit here, the skirting what we have created. Here we have that one. Here we have that one. Click that one. Press OK. Apply. Okay, here. Click wall sweep. Right. And here click vertical. Click here. Vertical. Click vertical. Yeah, that's right. Wall sweep vertical, and click restart wall sweep if you want to see that one. Yeah, so like that you can place that one also. You can go to the elevation and you can place it also easily, wall sweep. Yeah, right. Click restart wall, then you will get applied. So here quickly like this also you can add the reveal also, same like go to wall reveals. Here click edit type, the default profile there. If you want to going to using your profile, I'll select reveal, apply, okay. So it's getting applied vertically. Click reset reveal. It's applied vertically. For that one, it won't be, there won't be a material. Yeah, see. So like that also you can add quickly, vertically and horizontally. I hope you enjoyed the video and learn about the wall skirting and wall reveals in Revit. If you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel. If you have any comments, comment in the comment box.